a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a requested blend. Someone had wanted me to do 3 different colors, 3 different shades of blue with a neon green to create a ocean look. And first of all, when I seen this request, I was so excited to do it. I just knew, I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be tight. So I already had 2 different blues. I had that pastel blue, and then I had the neon blue there on the right. And so I just needed one other blue. I went out trying to find another blue, and I had seen the blue that you seen earlier on the left. Now I thought it was going to be a complete different shade because it just said blue, not neon blue, but it's very similar to the neon blue. They're 2 different brands, but it's so similar. So I apologize for that. When I put all of these colors together, you'll see that it's slightly different, but for the most part it's pretty much the same. So I apologize. I really thought that it was going to be another shade of blue, but it still worked out in the end. So I'm going to show you guys here. I didn't use too much of the 2 blues. I pretty much used double of the neon and the pastel blue, and then I used about, there you go, they're showing the amount. So you see that it's kind of similar, but you can tell that there's a slight difference. So yeah, a lot of you guys keep asking how to prevent all of the hair from coming out, from falling out on the floor and being all on a brush. I don't know, guys. I would say when I did this blend, this was quite a bit of hair, and I usually don't blend this much hair in one. So I would say if you're having a lot of hair coming out, that this might be the issue. You might have to blend in smaller sections. Of course, it's going to take you longer because then you would have to do more blends. But if you're having issues of the hair coming out and being all over the floor, then blend your braiding hairs in smaller sections, because when I did this, I found it was a little bit more difficult for me. And I did find a little more hair on my brush. It still wasn't excessive. So I just don't know what you guys are doing different. I would say just practice. I always just grab right from the middle and I place right back where my left hand is. So I grab it in the middle and then I place it right back where my left hand is. I don't know any other trick. I'm sorry. Maybe you guys, again, just practice and you'll probably just get the hang of it. And then again, just use smaller sections. Someone had asked, is there a technique that I use when I'm pulling the hair or separating the hair? So when I start, I pretty much just grip or split it in the middle, and I keep doing that until I get to a point where, you know, it's blended pretty good, but then I see that a lot of the same colors are together. That's when I'll start separating those colors. So you'll see that more towards the end, and you can look back at my other videos and watch. But I'm pretty much just making sure that if I'm seeing clumps of the same colors together, that I'm separating those and then putting it, and then brushing and putting it back. So that's really it. I'll let you guys watch and enjoy the video. At the very end, I'll show you what the blend looks like as a braid. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification so you can be notified whenever I put out a video. And I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. And leave a comment if you want to see anything that's not already on the channel. And as always, I hope everyone stays blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. And I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.